Hi there guys and girls, come over here. I'm so hungry. Come on, be the first one to taste, be the first one to bite. Supremo Pizza. Come on, open your mouth, don't be shy. Love it? Love it. This is for you. Okay. Very nice. How about this one? See that? So creamy, rich, thick. Oh, come on. Love it?